Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and one I gotta continue getting daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Jada Kingdom defending her name because a lot of people is putting her to shame after Megan Thee Stallion dropped a track seemingly dissing her ex-boyfriend Pardi, who Jada Kingdom is romantically involved in. You see, people, Megan Thee Stallion said she caught Pardi getting head by a different woman in her bed. As you can see, the lyrics from Megan, people are attributed to her. Megan said, pulled up, caught him cheating and getting his DI, sucked. In the same spot I'm sleeping, meaning her bed. Lord, give me a break. I don't know how much I can take, you know what I mean? And here are some of the comments Jada Kingdom was reading. Man, I'm getting these girls confused because they look alike. But nevertheless, Jada Kingdom said, yo, and I lift up from you, so, and release me. So I guess I knew the lyrics before it dropped. Huh? Right. And I decided to post my flowers 8 hours before as an hint, it's me, guys. Huh? Why? The internet is a special place. I know it's gonna drive y'all crazy to not have someone specific to terrorize for y'all president, but it wasn't me. And when she said y'all president, she means I'm Megan Thee Stallion fans. Well, she said, I'm mad that the cked riding is a trend because how on all so effing stupid. Don't insert me in that ish that got nothing to do with me. How did the math equal me? Plus, that is dumb as F. I got houses there, hotels, motels, Airbnbs, and shit, even the damn car. Why would I do that, huh? Meaning, why would she be in another woman's bed giving, their man head? You see what I said? The rumor got to be the most embarrassing and hilarious one. I'm doing the math and I am almost, it's myself trying to figure out, But it's no matter and release me. Free Twinkle. And these are the flowers that Pardi, sent Jada Kingdom. So I guess that's why a lot of people were saying, Megan Thee Stallion is talking about. Putting out a comment section what you think about that. Like I said, Pardi got attacked because these two ladies look the same and I'm confused in their names. But nevertheless, Jada Kingdom said it wasn't her, but Pardi is definitely saying it was him. And Megan was talking about and made this post confirming it using Future in his IG story after the song dropped.
It's an evil world we live in.
Yeah, Street King. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, quick update on this Gully Bop funeral situation. The mother of Gully Bop and his manager Jackie Hunt has put out a statement and basically telling, Amari to get up out of here. Mr. Mayor said they don't want Amari begging on the family's behalf because they're not broke and the mother have her money to bury her son. Mr. Mayor said, I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of conflicting reports coming out from the family because I read on the Observer that the brother said them not know or them are gonna pay for the funeral, and that's why you see Amari asking for donations. But nevertheless, Jackie Hunt, Gully Bop's manager, wanted to address certain issues regarding Bop's passing and ensure the family's wishes were clear. Anne Marie Chamberlain, Gully Bop's sister and spokesperson for the family for Bop. So basically, they must say any fundraiser, GoFundMe or anything, people collecting coins online, only don't join it. It's a scam. You see me, I say, and when, Jackie was asked by Jamaican, I think Weekly, this is the magazine that interviewed her, she said she could give a rat's ass about Amari, his ex, who, started making the initial social media gossip train. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read out the whole thing, and I can read it on myself. But basically, they're saying that, Amari was only with Gully Bop for 2 weeks, and she's bitter and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, my people, this is that interview done with Jamaica Weekly magazine, you know what I mean? I want to put in the comment section, what do you think about that? You see me, I say, I'm not going to lie to you. After reading that and reading the comments, the people that must say, if we did have all of this money and no one, nobody concerned and fundraising, why they never do it a couple weeks ago when him come out and I asked Auntie Donna and everybody for help? You see, my people, I'm just a messenger. Don't crucify me. Put in the comment section. What do you think about that? You know what I mean? At the end of the day, as long as him buried, at that way I pray for. You see, my people. Let's proceed to the next. Quick update, because it look like Sevilla give way, and all of the prolific dancehall artists, reggae artists, them has gotten back their visa. As you can see, Capleton finally got back his after 13 years. You see, he will be returning to the United Kingdom for the first time after he was granted a work permit to perform in that country. And I don't think Bounty Killer they get a work permit. I just think he got a visiting permit. So I think, you know, he was just using, you know, him going back to London as promotions. It's similar, but as you can see, it's definitely a good thing for Capleton, you know what I mean? You see, I said, did he have to sign a Chichiman thing? Well, this is what Tamika Reynolds said. When they're going to apply for the permit, we approach it with open mind and we focus on Capleton's ability as an artist, a humanitarian, a great human being. There was an objection for obvious reasons, because you know, but not the chichi. But we're all past those obstacles, you see, and things, you know. I mean, Capleton's a loving humanitarian person. He has applied himself in the community, and he gives to the less fortunate and indigent. You know, the people who can't, you know, the poor people, you know what I mean? So, boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is why DJ Academics didn't want to fit this up. Sass, whatever his name is, Santana, wickedly, because he's a part of that community, and you know that he will get cancelled, even though, you know, Academics was violated, you know, a man, you know, threatening to, you know, violate his manhood, and people is cheering for that. And that's the weirdest part. Two wrongs don't make a right. But I'm just giving that quick update while I go on for that to go and put in the comment section what do you think about that. And no, I'm not gonna lie, this Gully Bop situation really brought out a lot out of Amari, because I never hear her call Dr. Love name in years. You see what I said? You know, I mean, you know, Dr. Love did review the other day on, you know, Gully Bop's life and things. You see what I said? Well, Amari had a few things to say about the people you see on the screen, so let's take a listen.
You understand? Only for dick picture, these men dick picture from Dr. Love, L.A. Lewis, Full Black Boss, Ashanti 360, dick picture in my gallery and me pitney them a look pan it. Me have to turn around and apologize to my children them that don't understand. I come on the internet and I tell them, please stop doing these things. Dr. Love him did take on different name because I block him, different phone and everything, and still I send things to make him wanna deal with them. And I beg them, please, y'all need to stop. Stop it, man. People have them family. And then I come here and act like, say, you know, taking up for people, I try to bury people, I collect money for bury people. So in other words, you men are coming here and acting as if you're all saints. You are not. No, you're not. It's not every time people get up and want to hear about pussy. And I don't like it. I tell you, LA, I do not like it. I don't need enough dirty mouth man. On MySpace days and other days, I go text me and me don't know them message me and tell me say them suck pussy. I don't want to hear nothing about pussy. I don't want to hear nothing about sucking. Stop texting me and telling me that you suck pussy. I don't care. I know I'm not speaking on my own behalf right now, but a lot of people behalf right here. Have you ever experienced anything like this? Ex-man, I send them dick. One of the time it gets so tiresome, man, even on Instagram. You understand? Men is sending their dick pic straight to me. The only thing, and I'm glad Instagram do it. Instagram set up a thing where it say that this picture may be whatever. You understand? So you have to decide whether or not you're going to click on it. But there's a time when you go to your bed, you wake up ready for face the day, ready for pay your bills, ready for deal with life, and the first thing you buck upon is a dick pic. I can't tell all I know how in a dick look because it's a sickening sight. Some of them dick bend. Some of them dick straight. Some of them blew up them dick. Me get up one morning and where L.A. Lewis sent to me. Video, I him have sex with somebody to make me jealous. Sorry about the noise, but my family bringing up my fridge. So that me can have a fridge upstairs because them are people when me don't talk, me thirsty. Me have to draw for lemonade.
Where you want it?
In the middle room. You understand? Me have to draw for lemonade. Me no know, excuse me, Desi, although you are 20, you know to hear these things. Me have to draw for lemonade because them don't want me drink lemonade around here. Them don't even want me to drink Pepsi. All these male bloggers, I'm not talk, the decent people them on YouTube. Because me hear enough man really talk up the things. And talking like real gentlemen on YouTube, especially the official bloggers them. They must say, if you did this, you are wrong. If you did that, you are wrong. That's me have to say, it make me still proud of my Jamaicans. You get what I mean? It's the one them that we put on pedestal at them and do the wrong. Because before we support these bloggers, when no job no out there for man. And them start them look a YouTube channel and bring over a Queenie and bring over an Amari and I try to build themselves so them can have a money to give them mommy and give them son and them daughter and take care of themselves that they not end up in a prison. And them we not support. But we quick to support people like Dr. Love. We rape a woman at age 15. Dr. Love, as a young boy, I go rape a big woman, go our yard and rape the big woman. Yes, me have your file. Me bring you go a court already, Dr. Love. Me bring you go a court where you have to end up as a liar and everything. That's why you cool off and don't say my name. The other day, Kamal McGregor say my name to you and you say you don't want to hear that woman's name because me end up bring you go a court. But you can't bring me go a court for the truth. After you turn around and rape the woman at age 15, you run away from Jamaica. And then you're going to turn around and say that the woman, the big woman, raped you. And I can't believe that all these women sit on your platform and really believe that. That a big woman raped you. You ever hear that man tell the story? First of all, where you are doing at the woman's house? What you doing at her house? I catch a woman husband, catch him and get him locked up. And then you go and talk about what woman rape you? 15 years old? What kind of dirty life that? Excuse me, Desi, me just not comfortable, yo. Why you not listen? Why you feel say you so big you want to hear everything? Them things are not right, yo. Dr. Love said the good woman a Jamaica, pretty girl. Him all did Bex one at a time. Because Gully Bop and I take a picture and everybody else say she and Gully Bop belong together, not realizing say a Dr. Love wife. Because, you know, Amari haters. Me I go show a picture and all, you know. And Dr. Love bring the girl from Jamaica and have her over Jersey. I starve. The girl get in touch with me. Was talking to me for a while and all she kept saying, you never believe who I am. You have no idea who I am, but Amari, I check for you. And the girl tell me all the things that he have been doing to bring down my pages. The girl give me a list, a name of all in pages them. That the time them did feel say them have power. You know, back in the days when people feel say them can just take down your page because everything Facebook believe. And so you just get up one morning. I lost one page with 65,000 fans. And that was how Dr. Love was operating. And I'm wife. Talk to me a morning time and tell me what is going on. The girl end up have to run for her life. The girl showed me the fridge and showed me say nothing no in the fridge, and she's forced to stay home every day and she can't go nowhere. She said, Amari, in at the end she tell me who she was, and she said, Amari, I come here and I in this marriage forget my green card. Me never know some would end up a prisoner. The girl, so these are the things we need to address. Men who bring women from Jamaica and then enslave them, threaten them. And at the end of the day, you know what him turn around and do? When the girl gain the strength and run away, the man make flyers and put on the flyers that she's wanted. Wanted dead or alive. I saw him put it. And put the flyers all over the internet. Everybody I look for this girl. Thinks that the girl commit some crime. These things are wrong. In at the end, police, thief, everybody I look for the girl. Because the girl escaped from him. I will read you all files. I know you all secret. Dr. Love and the girl, when they fret them, they had this plot where them call old people and tell the old people them say them owe IRS. I don't know what it's like on Google now. It wasn't hard for Amari to find out these things because I study international law in a laugh all the time and things are a joke. Go on my LinkedIn. You will see that I study criminal law. And I study international law, study criminal law at Florida Metropolitan University, study international law at Nova Southeastern University. You understand? Criminal justice. So I know how to dig up my things them. You know, go and dig up these people records before you believe in them. IRS, the two of them, as a matter of fact, the feds already have files on you because me send it to them. Him walk around, when you see people come here with fake name and can't put up them real name, his real name is Christopher Crooks. All you have to do for some people is just Google their phone number and you will see certain things about them. Them days that when you Google him phone numbers, you see where a lady said that they robbed me. This person robbed me because they told me that I owe the IRS and I need to settle, and I sent my money to them. And you don't see him name Christopher Crooks. That his name. You want betting a run off of the internet? Christopher Crooks is the biggest scammer around here. And Fred them was the one working with him. Fred them have a child, look just like him because they have been together for many years. She came on the internet and was fighting for him. Why you fighting for him, so? Why you are him ride and die, so? Fred them at the time was living with her husband who was trying to get her green card and have the full-blown relationship with Dr. Love, all in the name of friendship. Why was the people so blind to not realize that Fred them is Dr. Love, real woman? The only reason me ease up off her and me not go too far with her is because you did eventually apologize and say that you love me on Instagram. So I'm going to leave you alone unless you put your head up back. Because you were wrong to see my child in Staten Island. And my child Destiny when she was a child. And threaten my child. And stalk my child in Staten Island. My child have to run for your life. You were wrong. But you say that you're sorry for what you have done. You were the one that come on the internet with gun, cutlass, a target, and say, what you gonna do to me? Let's say that was just a skit. But I definitely had to run for my life many times. Y'all don't tell people that I did not end up in the shelter because I was poor. I ended up in the shelter because that was the only safe way to protect myself. I was in New York when them threatens my life. I did not know. I was passing through from New York to California. And guess what? I ended up having to go to the government and then tell me, said, the only way out we will protect you is from domestic violence. And I said, this is domestic violence. Because Dr. Love and I was in a relationship, a phone relationship. Although we did meet up and everything, but it was mostly a phone relationship. And then Dr. Love take a set on me, and instead of him telling people we were in a relationship, what Dr. Love do, Dr. Love basically turned the people against me and let the people come for me. And so they said they are able to protect me. They put me and my children in a special shelter. A shelter where nobody could know our address. That was the only way for me to come off the radar. Because my light, the way they were finding me was by my light bill, by my gas bill, by my phone number. This was how they were finding me all the time. And destroying my life. And so by being in the shelter, they weren't able to track me because there's no light bill. There's no telephone bill. Them even go as far as to get my social security number and post it online. Dr. Love post my social security number on his phone and made an offer of $500. $500 to give my official documents to people. Because Marty was my manager in the UK. That's why I'm end up dead, commit suicide. Marty was my manager. And Marty said I should send him my documents to reach the to reach the UK. I sent my documents to Marty, and me and Marty eventually fall out, and Marty forwarded all my documents to Dr. Love. Do you know what I've gone through on the internet? The feds have a file big like this in order to lock up certain people in regards to Amari. And they think that they get away because at that time, the locals wouldn't deal with it. Me and my children, I'm going to post the video. Me and my children travel all the way to Jersey because when we in California and we call the precinct say I have to come in person and report it in Jersey for him to get locked up. Me and my children travel all the way to Jersey and report him. And then the locals say they cannot arrest him because it's a federal crime. Because the internet is not owned by one country. The internet is a federal situation. And I go find the letter and everything, and then I go bawl for me when I read the letter that I wrote to the feds in regards to my life. I had no life. I had no life. Because every morning, every other morning, a CPS them send. CPS come and CPS, and me I go show you the video when me cry, the toilet I cry. CPS turn up at Brooklyn. I said, why are you here, ma'am? Miss Fang Chong, we are here because you have children in your midst and we hear that you're taking drugs. I said, I'm not taking drugs. They said, well, you will have to do a blood test. Goodies follow me when I do the blood test to prove that I did not have AIDS. Even that, we're going to touch on the AIDS one. To prove that I did not take drugs. And after them, she said, them feel this, sir. Them say me do something called substance abuse. Me don't even know what that is. Well, the people, them throw that. Then them, cause he work with Oliver Tingle, who willing to kill me over my man, a married woman. And then what them do now, me have to run out of New York every day. Police are come to lock up me. And me never want to lose my children them. Me remember when me leave in New York, Me no know where me I go. And me say, God, should I go to the right or to the left? And God said, drive to the right. And that the way head to California. And I saw me choose California. I head for California for escape from the madness. That the time.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. People, I'm not gonna longer this not longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.